to learn about pure substances and mixtures. You've probably heard before about a pure substance. Pure water, pure gold, for example. But what does this word mean? Well, in science, pure means only one substance. Only one substance. In a pure substance, all the particles are the same. For example, pure gold consists of only gold particles. And pure water only consists of water particles, H2O particles. The properties of pure water are the following. It has a freezing point of 0 degrees Celsius, a boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius, and a density of 1 gram per centimeter cubed. Those properties are known, they are for pure water, and they are constant. When water is not pure anymore, when something is added to water, like salt for example, or if it's mineral water and not pure distilled water, these properties change. Consider these three samples of salty water. We measured the boiling point of each, and they are respectively 101, 105, and 108 degrees Celsius. So they're not 100 degrees Celsius, which is the boiling point of pure water. This is because it's not pure water, this is salty water, and salt is added to water. Those are the same three samples of salty water, and now we've measured their density. The density is different than 1 gram per centimeter cube, which is the density of pure water. So notice how the properties changed when we added salt to water, when water is not pure anymore. Another example is gold. Pure gold is known to have a melting point of 1065 degrees Celsius and a density of 19.3 gram per centimeter cube. So which one of these is pure gold, A, B, or C? It's B. Although all of them conduct electricity and although the melting points and the density are close to each other, but B is the only one that has a melting point and density the same as pure gold. In summary, there are a lot of substances in the world, different substances, and they can be pure substances or mixtures. As we said, pure substances are only made of one substance. This substance can be an element. For example, pure gold, it's a pure substance made of only one element, gold, Au. Pure substances can also be found as compounds. For example, pure water. Pure water consists of only water particles. Water is a compound, H2O. It has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. On the other hand, mixtures are not pure substances. They are made up of 2 or more substances.